This is letter A. A is for apple. This is letter B. B is for baby. This is letter C. C is for car. This is letter D. D is for dog. This is letter E. E is for elephant. This is letter F. F is for fish. This is letter G. G is for goat. This is letter H. H is for hat. This is letter I. I is for igloo. This is letter J. J is for jelly. This is letter K. K is for kite. This is letter L. L is for lion. This is letter M. M is for monkey. This is letter N. N is for nest. This is letter O. O is for orange. This is letter P. P is for parrot. This is letter Q. Q is for queen. This is letter R. R is for rainbow. This is letter S. S is for sun. This is letter T. T is for tiger. This is letter U. U is for umbrella. This is letter V. V is for violin. This is letter W. W is for whale. This is letter X. X is for xylophone. This is letter Y. Y is for yak. This is letter Z. Z is for zebra.
Bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel, kids. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!